Welcome back, handy people. In today's video we're going to be unboxing the Echo Dot Kids version from Amazon. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Also, don't forget to hit that like button. So I purchased a little cool gadget off of Amazon last night for the girls. I'm currently using a Google Home, and the girls are always messing around with it, so I purchased them their own kids friendly smart speaker. Also purchased a smart plug. I'll show you guys in another video how to set that up with Alexa. So this thing on Amazon was $39.99, I believe. They actually have this payment program if you're a Prime member where you pay $7 a month. I'll leave a link in my description on how to get that payment program set up here with Amazon Prime. So fresh out the box, I actually like the color. The color of this thing is nice. It's more of like a red color. I don't know if you guys can see it with my camera, but it's a really nice red color. So what's in the box? You get the smart speaker, you get some instructions I see here on how to set it up with Alexa. Also you get the USB-C cable and the actual plug that plugs inside the wall. This plug, they actually look like they give you about 4 feet of plug, so you can put this anywhere. I like to put mine on a nightstand. Overall, this thing, it seems like it's built pretty tough for kids. It seems like they put this soft shell around it to keep it protected from drops and stuff like that, especially because kids are going to be wanting to touch this thing constantly. So compared to my Google Home, I think the actual design on the Google Home looks a little nice just because it's a speaker, but I actually like like I said, I like the color of it, and the size of the actual Alexa is going to be just a tad bigger just because they put the soft shell case on it. But other than that, I actually like the Alexa, but I might stick with my Google Home. We'll see how it holds up with the kids using it daily. Thing I actually like about the Alexa device, it actually has all the buttons on the top. You don't have to fiddle around for what button is which, so it makes it easier to use. I also, like I said earlier, I did buy a smart plug for this device. I'm actually going to use this plug for the actual lamp so they can turn their lamp on and off via Alexa. I'll show you guys in another video on how to set that plug up and make it compatible with Alexa. So to get this thing set up, what you want to do is plug in your USB-C cable into the back of the Alexa device. It takes maybe like 30 seconds to actually load up fully.
Hello. Your Amazon Echo Dot is ready for setup. Just follow the instructions in your Alexa app.
So setting this thing up was super easy. I think it was a little easier than setting up my Google Home. Only thing you have to do is download the Amazon Alexa app. You're gonna search for the device. It actually pops right up. You connect to your device to the Wi-Fi, and it actually loads up, and then it makes you customize the parental control and set up your kids account. So now that we got this thing connected up, now it's time to test it out. I'm actually going to let the girls test it out just because it's going to be in their room most of the time. So check out these next couple clips of the girls testing this thing out.
Alexa, turn on Gail's room.
Okay.
Hey Alexa, play some music.
Here's a playlist you might like. Classics for Kids on Amazon Music.
In the time I was born, lived a man.
Hey Alexa, stop the music.
Was on his life.
Hey Alexa, stop the music. Hey Alexa, turn off my room. Hey Alexa, turn off the girls' room.
Okay.
What do you want to see? You say, Alexa, turn music in the Alexa, put music in the girls' room.
I didn't find anything called guest room that can play music.
Hey Alexa, play a song.
Here's a playlist you might like. Family fun for everyone on Amazon Music.
Right now I'm in a state of mind.
like Watch Your Words?
No, I want to play Science Says. You be Science Says.
Would you like to give Watch Your Words a try?
Yeah.
Welcome to Nickelodeon's Watch Your Words. Every day, you'll get a series of brand new questions. For each question, try to guess one of kids' top answers. But be careful, there's always one word you can't say. Do not say it. Let's give it a try. Here's a sample question. We asked kids to name their favorite fruit. Name one of the top 5 fruit picks. But do not say bananas. Now, while the music plays, think of your answer. I'll come back when it's time to speak.
Apple.
Gotta wait.
Did you think of one? Give
Yeah.
an answer now.
Apples.
Way to go! You got a point. The
Yeah.
top answers were apples, oranges, grapes, and pears. If you guessed wrong, you'd get no point.
Hey Alexa, read me a book.
Starting Leia's book.
It's her
How
name.
the whale got his throat. In the sea, once upon a time, oh my best beloved, there was a whale, and he ate fishes. He ate the starfish,
Alexa, and play music.
and the dab.
Alexa, play music.
Here's a playlist you might like. Disney Girl Power on Amazon Music.
Daddy, this is Moana song. Hey Alexa, play a game with me.
So overall, as you can see, the girls love this thing inside their room. I'll leave a link inside the description below on where to purchase this thing on Amazon. Like I said, if you have Amazon Prime, you can do the payment program with them where you pay $7 a month. Don't forget to hit the like button if this video was helpful for you guys, and new people, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I do upload videos weekly on how to, and I do unboxings of different products, so stay tuned. Until then, thanks for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful for you guys.
Question 1. What's your favorite dance style? A. Ballroom. B. Hip hop. C. Interpretive.